With this delicious sausage egg omelette, kick your breakfast up a notch. This is an easy and simple omelette recipe packed with flavor. Sizzle up a skillet full of delicious goodness with smoked sausage and bell peppers. Everything in this smoked sausage and egg recipe is cooked in one pan with only 5 minutes preparation. And of course, easy cleanup. To make this delicious omelette, we need smoked sausage, bell peppers, and eggs. Cut 2 sausages in half-inch pieces. And chop roughly or bell peppers. In a large cast iron skillet, heat 1 tablespoon oil over medium heat. Add the sausages and saute until both sides cook through. Now add chopped bell peppers and stir them until peppers get cooked to your taste. Now crack 3 eggs into the skillet and with a spoon spread the eggs all over the gaps. Add some salt and pepper as your desire. Done! Our fast, delicious omelette ready to serve.